more realistic and more accurate machining times. With the new 3D-based time calculation, NUMROTO can now use simulation data directly from NUMROTO 3D to determine machining times with even greater accuracy. Instead of relying solely on calculated values, the grinding process is analyzed using the actual 3D simulation. This allows not only the grinding time itself to be determined, but also additional information such as air grinding time, auxiliary time, and acceleration time. The result is a more realistic and more accurate representation of the complete machining process. To ensure reliable results, the simulation automatically uses the required settings and evaluates all relevant grinding operations. The calculated data is transferred directly back to NUMROTO and displayed within the familiar timetable. Your benefit: more realistic machining times, improved transparency, and a stronger foundation for planning, costing, and process optimization. NUMROTOplus, bringing simulation and time calculation closer together.